Video, we're going to take a look at how to export supplier and customer data. Directly out of X3, that can be done with import and export templates. Importing data can be very, very tricky because it's got to match all the rules. Exporting data is very simple. So we're going to take a look at how to do that. I've set up some templates here. So you first have to set up the template, and there are existing templates, which makes it fairly easy, and then you can modify them. Once that's done, then you execute them. So we'll look at the setup. First, we're going to go into Setup, Usage, Import, Export Templates right here. And I happen to have this one up. It's called YBP, BP Supplier Cutover. That's what the acronym there means. If I just type in a Y here, these are any customized ones. See, I have BPC, Customers Cutover, BPS Suppliers Cutover. So we're on Suppliers. So in this header tab section, don't need to really change anything unless you want to change the formatting. But we have basically, these are the three tables we're using: supplier, addresses, and bank IDs. So shouldn't need to change anything there. I've done some basic setup. Most of that's already in the standard export template. Then here is where you choose your fields. Okay, and each field has an indicator. So this B supplier with this, this has to be in there. This is like a standard X3 thing that lets it know that that's the start of a line. So don't change that in any way, but these fields here you can add and remove. So BP supplier, see here I added this Y email. If you want to add a line, you can just go in here and insert one, or delete a line, and you select the table in the field. So here is, we've got supplier company name, default address, notification email, site tax ID. So you can remove or add any of these that you want, order text notes, and then we get into the A separator, which is address information. They could have multiple addresses, and city, country, telephone, probably, then bank ID number and the bank name. So we can save that. And we can't export directly from here. We have to actually go into usage. Import, exports, export. And it pulls up the template I was on. If I want to select a different template, I just select it here. The BP is supplier cutover. We don't need to worry about chronological management. I can generate the file to the server or client. It's easy, just select client, it'll download to your PC. And if you want to select a start or end range of suppliers, you can, or criterion here, you can as well. Just select OK, and it'll export everything. And you see it created this file here, show in folder here. So I'm going to call that, I'm going to rename it. Open that with Notepad. You can see my results here. So this is a CSV file format. You can open it in Excel if you want. Open with, not an option here. If I open Excel, here, Downloads. So I'm looking for TDI suppliers. Doesn't like that it's a text file, but I'm going to say OK. And it's delimited. No headers. It's got tab and semicolon delimiters. You see there. Separates everything. Finish. And now I've got all my data.